I need to make some changes and I don't like to copy paste. Instead, I want to edit code with code. I'm writing code to process videos. This kinds of coding is fun and painful. Whatever. I need to make some changes and I don't like to copy paste. Instead, I want to edit code with code. There is a language called regular expression. It is a language and it has syntaxes. Yes, it is a language. It has syntaxes and rules like other languages do. I hope you already know that. So let's see what pain it can remove. You see that in my code, there are these variables called underscore intro duration, intro this, intro that, outro this, outro that, and I'm going to process those values and set them in as instance properties. Yes, I'm taking that from a dictionary. That is a hash map data structure, by the way, and that dictionary was generated from JSON stream, and I'm taking that JSON stream from a Google Sheet where I developed that Google script, to convert that sheet into JSON so that I can use that as an API. Restricted JavaScript, that Google AppScript version of JavaScript. And yes, I like JavaScript more than 1 decade of experience and expertise with this Python, and I did many things with it, but I really like JavaScript better. So where was I? Yes, you see that I am already defaulting to none when there is no value by the name inside the dictionary, but that is gonna change, and I'm going to draw those values differently and perform some other pre-processing and validation before setting them to the right properties of the class. So what I want to do is, before setting them at the end of all the processing, I want to check if their values are truthy values or not. Not only none, I want to see if their values are truthy or not. So what values are truthy in Python? Another video or another day. Okay, so after checking if they are truthy or not, I'm going to set them. If they're not truthy, I'm going to set none. And to do that, on the left side, we have that none value before that if condition, that inline if else syntax in Python. That also I don't like. I like that condition question mark, the truth if the value you want when it is true, the condition is true, and colon the other value when that is not true. That is that kind of syntax in another languages. So Guido von Rosium invented this syntax. So when he did not want to just follow what other languages are doing. Okay, so on the left side we have that none value when the condition is true, and don't confuse that truth value of if else, because we are negating that value here if not. So when that expression of if else true, we are setting none, and when that is false, we are setting the value from that underscore variable. And to replace those underscore variables with that part of the code, if these do that, otherwise do that, so those kind of things, what I want to do, and inject those things, those codes like if, else, that condition none within that with that underscore variable. And to do that I have to copy paste multiple of times, and I really dislike that. So in regular expression, what do I need? I need capture group. I'm going to pattern match that variable with a to g or z. We say that z, and I see the native English speaker saying g. Okay, so from a to g, underscore from a to g, I'm going to capture that. And when we want to replace that, we have we already have that value set, that group set the first group set in $1, the second value is set to $2, like that. So you can get this feature in various IDEs, editors, and even you can get that in Notepad++. So I use this a lot, and I thought, okay, why not share this with the world? So here it is. Let's see. To connect you, to support me, you can get the links in the description, and to connect with me, you can get the contact information at the end of this video. Goodbye. See you in the next video.